Oh my gosh. Archie and I here outside. We need to go out because it's been a while Archie never go outside. But it's so cold and it's so breezy. So you can see the wind is blowing the snow. So we decided to go back. Dirigtog nawa good. Nawa guys, ara nang baga. Tereng. Hey, where are you going? We need to go back. Come on. See, look at the ice. So thick and so cold. Let's go. Let's go back. So chilly. See? Go, guys. Di ka malain sa kabaga. Oh. So cold. Suli na lamang ni. Kaya di na mo kaya ang tugnaw. No kaadyo. Okay, bye-bye.